Financial literacy is about understanding the parameters, understanding the issues involved in financial decisions, understanding the types of information we need, understanding where to get the information from. So if I win lotto this weekend, what should I do with the money? Well, in most instances I've worked it out well in advance, walking the dog around the block in the morning. But I guess it's easier for me to think about what I would do with millions of dollars if I had it, rather than once the millions of dollars have arrived, my whole attitude might change. And this is true of my attitude towards risk. I think that I have a reasonable tolerance for risk, but then I really don't like losing. So I look at my superannuation fund statement that came out just recently, and I find that I've done really quite well over the last 12 months by investing in the growth fund. But over the last few years, I certainly saw my money plummet during the financial crisis. If I had have had my money in a cash or conservative fund, I would have done all right. But during this recent period of a surge in the share prices and property markets going up again, the growth fund has been much more rewarding. So what I really need to be able to do is understand why I'm investing and what my attitude towards risk is. The financial plan that we've talked about before gives us those sort of milestones for goals which we then turn into financial targets, be it the holiday overseas, the money for the children's education, or in my case, grandchildren's education fund, the funeral expense fund. Right, so we need these saving targets, and we have a certain amount of money coming in, so it's got to accumulate towards being able to finance that particular goal, so we know how much it has to accumulate at. Then the question is, well, what sort of risk are we prepared to take to get there? Are we conservative in nature, or have we got a high appetite towards risk? Well, you can download from Yahoo or Google on the website various financial risk assessment questionnaires. Have a look at them and get a feel for yourself whether they offer good guidance. Some may be just really marketing plugs, and others might be better. But you can have a look at them, get a feel for your attitude towards risk, and then slot that, map that in with your financial plan and see if it helps you in your thinking in a financially literate way about those goals that you might have.